Hello guys, Exonical here and welcome back to another video on my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix a CPU fan error in 2019. So without further ado, let's go ahead and begin this video. So I made a part 1 video a while back and I'm going to do a part 2 video because people are commenting saying not to do this because it will damage your CPU or overheat your CPU. It will not. All it does is disable the ability to monitor the RPMs of the fan. So go check out that video in the description. This part 2 video will or should permanently fix the CPU fan error message, but I cannot guarantee that it will. So if it doesn't, make sure you go check out the first video. Make sure your computer is off. Now find your CPU fan header. It should be named as CPU_fan and it should have a name right under the header on the motherboard. If it is not plugged into that header, go ahead and unplug your CPU fan or AIO cooler. Now after it's unplugged, there is a couple other CPU fan headers you can try. You could try the chassis fan, which is CPU_chassis, but more than likely it will also give you that error. It's best to try the CPU_fan header first, and if that does not work, try all the other fan or 4-pin headers on your motherboard. 3-pin can also work as well. But if you do not know where any of your headers are, you will have to conduct your motherboard manual. If this video for some reason did not help you out, go ahead and check out the first video. That has a 99.9% chance of working for most people, depending on what their BIOS looks like. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you go ahead and like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.